If you're new to Udemy and want to start learning or teaching, I'll show you how to set up your account and complete your profile step by step. Start by opening the Udemy website and clicking Sign Up if you don't have an account yet. Enter your name, email address, and a secure password, then click Sign Up. Once your account is created, log in and click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Account Settings. Go to the Public Profile section to add details that other students or instructors will see. Upload a professional profile picture. Write a short bio describing your background or learning interests, and add skills or areas of expertise. Make sure to save all changes. A completed profile helps personalize your Udemy experience, makes it easier for instructors or students to recognize you, and is essential if you plan to become an instructor. Now you know how to set up your Udemy account and complete your profile so you can start learning or teaching with confidence. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.